my god, Crookie! It's a freaking blizzard out here! Oh my god! What are we gonna do? We're gonna get 10 feet of snow with snowdrifts reaching 20 feet! New Haven's never gonna be the same! Oh my god, it's a little red plow truck! I think he might be drinking and driving. I'm not quite sure yet. Alright, fellas and ladies and gents. Oh my god, he's speaking a different language. Oh my god, he's not native to this area. He's probably from Honduras. Oh my god, it's his partner in crime. Oh my god, I think they're robbing somebody. Oh my god, I gotta go. Bye.